I've lost my bauble and my hair is mental. Alright people, we're lost. We're trying to get to Linwood. Linwood? Trying to get to Linwood, and where is it we're heading right now? Bishopton. Which I don't even know where that is. It's here. It's here, this is Bishopton.
That looks like a bear.
Okay.
Okay, well then. I let there.
Detour. Charlie is relaxing. Right here, just looking at new cars.
Yeah, this is my bear. This is Charlie Bear. It's a teddy. It's my nice teddy bear.
Yeah. Okay. Look at new cars. We're looking at this one over here. It's pretty cool. Just gonna have a little wander around, see what we can see. It's not a Lamborghini. These are all Fords. Mikey, you think?
This is my new car, Gail.
Yeah,
you paid a lot for it. And we are going to go climb the West Highland Way.
Excellent.
And then we're going to go to Clydebank.
Fantastic. What are you doing, Mikey?
He's just coming with us.
You're all being dangerous and none of you are strapped in.
We're going to get strapped in.
Okay, cool. I like it. Nice car.
Thanks.
Right, bye then. Yeah, those people just walk behind cars.
Yeah.
Walking behind cars, marching. You don't like people who march? There's more people walking. Sick!
Oh my.
What is wrong with people? My hair looks better now that it's tied back. It was ridiculous before. Right, what are we actually doing?
I don't know, covered in ice cream.
We just had ice cream in Braehead, and now we're gonna just go home and look for somewhere to fly the drone on the way back, but whether we'll actually find somewhere or not, I don't know. I just stopped to fly the drone a little bit up at, what is this called up here?
Overton House.
Oh, Overton House, that was my first voice. Up at Overton House, and it is now hailstoning really badly, so...
Go outside.
Look.
Mum, can we go outside?
It's freezing, you can go outside if you want, but it's very cold.
Yeah, I'm gonna... Let me take
I mean, it would have been lovely to fly it here. So we're just hoping that it passes, because I'm now sitting here with this on my knee, just waiting. You're eating hailstones. Okay. It should pass. Like, you're not supposed to fly it in rain. Like when the hail first came on, I thought it was like light enough that I could fly it anyway, but they're now really heavy, so I'm gonna have to wait a couple of minutes.